This is a COVID-19 vaccine trial.
16-year-old Caitlin Evans was the first participant in Pfizer's COVID vaccine trial for children. Since early October, others as young as 12 have enrolled.
And you're all done.
No COVID vaccine can be widely given to kids until it's tested on them. Their immune systems are more active than adults, often prompting stronger reactions. But few companies are currently conducting trials. Moderna just announced it plans to start testing its vaccine doses in children next year.
I think it's very important to be able to study this vaccine or these vaccines in children because kids are not just small adults.
Children aren't a small player in this pandemic either. They're a fifth of Canada's population. And while they only make up around 1.4% of COVID hospitalizations, they account for over 15% of cases. That's more than 50,000 infections. Studies have also shown kids older than 10 are just as likely as adults to infect others.
Many pediatricians are advocating strongly to have children included in these vaccine trials.
While it's normal for vaccines to be tested for safety and efficacy in adults first, at the current pace, it's not clear when a vaccine will be ready for kids.
I'm curious why. Why have they waited and not done studies yet for children?
Amazing. Good job.
Lindsay Noon has 3 children under the age of 5. She and her husband are both teachers. They acknowledge the social and psychological toll this pandemic is taking on kids, but
I want them to definitely dissect everything that needs to be done to make sure it's safe.
Drug makers insist vaccines for kids will be thoroughly tested, but it's almost certain they'll be going back to school next September without a vaccine. Christine Burak, CBC News, Toronto.